Hi, I'm Shelby and today I'll be teaching you how to make the best brownies out there. These are also dairy-free, so to all my lactose intolerant friends, this is for you. These are a hit with so many people, so I decided to share the recipe with you guys. This recipe has been passed down to me from my aunt who is no longer with us. She would always make these delectable brownies at our family gatherings, and she would feel honored that I'm spreading this recipe to the world so many more people can experience the love put into these. Although they won't be as good as hers, I feel like I can live with her like this. Let's begin. First, I start off by setting out all of your ingredients. Here's the list. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then grease your 8x8-inch pan with some cooking oil. Next, I'm going to mix a half a cup of melted butter, a teaspoon of cooking oil, and 1 1/8 cup of granulated sugar in a medium-sized bowl. Then whisk it well for about 1 minute. Today I'm using canola oil, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Then I'll add the 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix well for another minute. I'm sifting in a half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, and then folding it gently into the other ingredients. Don't overmix it. Now pour the batter into the pre-greased pan and smooth the top over. This is the part where you would add toppings, but today I'm not putting anything. I would suggest walnuts or semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're done with the first part. Now bake them 23 to 26 minutes or until the brownies don't move in the middle. Hey Echo, set a timer for 23 minutes. Finally, take them out of the oven and place somewhere made for a hot pan. Once they're cool, cut and enjoy your sweet treat. Delicious.